Hi, I'm Hannah and I achieved 2 A stars in biology and chemistry, and I'm off to Cardiff University to study medicine because I'm hoping to become a doctor.
Hi, I'm Lewis Thorne and I achieved 2 A stars in maths and physics and 2 A's in chemistry and further maths at A level. And I'm going to study mechanical engineering up at the University of Bath in the hopes of becoming an F1 engineer.
I enjoyed my time at college despite COVID with the restrictions and the online learning. The lecturers made the lessons really engaging and they was able to put us into breakout rooms where we could talk to other classmates and problem solve our work together, and allowed me to learn everything that I needed to pass the exams.
College differs so much from comprehensive school and I found it fantastic. It allows you more freedom with what you choose and more independence when you're studying, and I just found it amazing.
I chose Neath College because my chemistry tutor advised me about the teaching in Neath College and told me how good it was and the results that Neath College produced, so I decided to come and study science here.
I chose this college because of this great reputation in the STEM subjects and its proximity to where I live. I chose my subjects because I've always had a fascination with science and maths, and I thought it was just the next logical step for me. I was a bursary winner last year and it helped me in my studies as it allowed me just to invest in my learning. And
during my time at college, all the lecturers were really supportive and I always felt that I could email them or pop in to see them with any questions.
I was chosen as part of the gifted and talented students, and it allowed me to get extra support for my studies and just more specialised support really, and it was fantastic.
Lecturers are always there to help you out, and it's not just about learning the course, you also are able to join in practicals. Lecturers also give you extra information as well, so it's not just learning your A levels, you'll come away understanding a lot more about your chosen subject.
This college is so accommodating and fantastic that this is really a no-brainer if you live in the area.